Hello viewers, in this video I will talk about how you could get $7,500 from federal government. This bill is called Inflation Reduction Act. The bill was signed by President Joe Biden on August 16, 2022. The bill actually brought a great news for all EVs and all EV buyers. The bill brought a great news for Tesla and Tesla buyers, and I will explain all the nitty-gritty in a second. Before I go to that point, I want to make sure you get time to subscribe my channel, and I would appreciate for that. So let's dive into right now. Well folks, you know the new Inflation Reduction Act is very complicated. I'm going to break it down to make it easy for you so you can understand. The bill is going to start from January 1st, 2023. It will be continue until 2032. Now Tesla and GM is again being qualified for the tax credit because the old tax credit system was different than the new one. The older policy was when any company sell 200,000 car and they will be excluded from the benefits. Now the new bill doesn't have any number. That's why Tesla will be the most beneficiary. So that's why it is a great news for Tesla buyer. Now in order to get full credit, the EV must be assembled in North America, and the majority of the battery components need to come from North America, where certain percentage of mineral must come from North America or country with free trade. So the $7,500 is broken into two pieces, meaning the vehicle either qualifies for tax credit or it doesn't. It no longer based on size of battery. So now the $3,750 of the new credit is based upon the vehicle. The vehicle have to be at least 40% of its battery from United States and the country with free trade agreement with United States. The other $3,750 of the new credit is based on at least 50% of the battery components has to come from United States or with free trade countries. Now I will talk about what would be the MSRP to be qualified for this tax credit. Well, the new EV car with an MSRP below 55k, and the vans, SUV and truck with MSRP up to 80,000k. Now for the used vehicle, the price point is little bit different. To be qualified for used vehicle, the used vehicle must be at least 2 years old at the time of sale. The used vehicle must be purchased from a dealer, not from an individual. The used vehicle price must be 25k or less. The used vehicle qualifies for tax credit only once in a lifetime. Now we're going to talk about what would be the gross income to be qualified for tax credit. The modified gross income limit of 150k for individuals, 225k for head of the household, and 300k for joint returns. Now for used vehicle, modified gross income cap would be 75,000 for individuals, 150k for joint returns. So if you look at the price, Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3, they are qualified, but we don't know in future what would be the Tesla price 5 years from now. We don't know. So for now, Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3, they are qualified for this tax credit. Tesla Model Y considered as a mid SUV. That's why this car is under 80,000 right now. This car will be qualified for tax credit. Well folks, before I finish, I have little bit more information for you. The credit applies for vehicle purchasing beginning January 1st, 2023. So if you buy any car in 2023, you will get tax credit, not the point of sales credit. That means you won't get discount from your dealer. 2024, you will get point of sales discount. That means the car dealer will give you discount. Also, this federal tax credit will be available for all the plug-in hybrids as long as they meet the standard. That means the battery need to be over 7 kilowatt system. Alright guys, I believe this bill is very complicated and I didn't want to provide any particular car or car company name. You must verify with your dealer whether you are eligible for your credit or not. I hope you got sufficient information from the video. If you have any other question, please ask in the comment box. And the last thing is, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, this is the perfect time to subscribe. I want to appreciate you if you share this video. So thank you very much for watching my Visionary Motivator EV and Solar channel.